Welcome to my channel, InitiaLofEarn. If you want to earn from home like I do, so this is the channel. Make sure subscribe it and click the bell button for more notification. Thanks. Hello guys, welcome back my channel with another video. If you guys watching my video first time, so just go to the subscribe button and smash on it and click the bell button after subscription for more coming soon video. So if I further ado, let's go to the topic now. Actually many friends asking me on Facebook, WhatsApp, they asking me how we can increase energy in golden tea. If you guys not registered on it, so just go to the video description and find the registration link. As I have already registered on it, I just simply log in now. Sorry, I have to fill the captcha first. Just simply click on login button and as you can see the dashboard of golden tea, just click on cash out button. I have 81 energy point. Just simply click on energy market option. As you can see, I have already sell my coins convert into energy point. So if I want to increase my energy limit, just simply click on increase button. As you can see, if I want to increase my 1000 limit, so just click on increase button. As you can see, it's almost done. As you can see, I have 17,000 now. So just I have extra available today. I already sell. So just click on exchange. As you can see, it's almost over now, and I have claimed this energy 0.5 on this energy rate. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.